Keshav Verma of class 12th from Government Higher Secondary School Ramgarh. Today I want to speak on the topic of Savdeshi. The word Savdeshi comes from two Sanskrit words, Swa meaning owns and Desh meaning country. Together it means using the goods produced in one own country and promoting them instead of relying on foreign country. The Savdeshi movement in India began during the freedom struggle when leaders like Mahatma Gandhi encouraged Indians to boycott foreign goods and support local industry. It was not just an economic movement but also a symbol of self-respect, unity and independence. Even today the idea of Swadeshi is very important. Using Indian products help our economy grow when we buy locally made items, whether clothes, food, furniture or technology. The money stay within the country. The help Indian worker, farmer, craftsman and small businessmen owners earn a livelihood. Every time we choose a made in India product, we are supporting millions of hardworking people who depends on our choice. However, many people still prefer foreign brands just because they appear more attractive or advanced. This mindset needs to change. Indian industry today have become more innovative and competitive. From companies like Tata, Bajaj and Amul to startups like Boat and Mamaearth. Indian brands are providing their quality globally. Choosing Indian product does not mean compromising on quality. It means behaving in our own potential. A simple real life example is how khadi, once considered outdated, how has become a symbol of pride and fashion. Many young people are wearing khadi pupils to sports local wear. Similarly, small business selling handmade soaps, organic food or traditional crafts are gaining popularity through online platforms. These are also made modern forms of the Swadeshi spirits. By promoting Swadeshi, we also protect our culture and local goods often use naturally, eco-friendly material and traditional methods. This reduces pollution and supports sustainable living. Moreover, it strengthens national unity because everyone contributes to the country progress. In conclusion, Swadeshi is not just about rejecting foreign goods. It's about believing in India's strength, talent, and creativity. If every citizen make an effort to prefer Indian-made product, our nation will become more self-reliant and prosperous. Let us take pride in saying it supports Swadeshi because every Indian product we buy in a small step toward building a stronger, independent India.
ऐसा ऐसा बोला बस है